Hello everyone. The case study analysis that I've chose is Elon Musk and Tesla. So, Elon Musk was among the founding members of the team at the Tesla in 2003 with the vision to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Key milestones in Tesla's journey include the 2008 Roadster, the first EV to travel more than 200 miles on a single charge, and the 2012 Model S, a luxury sedan that pushed the performance and safety envelopes of DEVs. And the 2017 Model 3 aims squarely at the mass market at an affordable price. And Gigafactories, which began in 2020 to increase manufacturing capacity worldwide for Tesla. The strategies implemented by Musk involve innovation without rest, which includes developments in battery technology and automatic driving, vertical integration to seize hold of the supply chain, and powerful branding to secure the value chain via innovation and sustainability. Tesla had to beat challenges of vast magnitudes of near bankruptcy during 2008. In general producing cars and particularly Model 3 and the increasing competition in EVs. And the most outstanding leadership lesson learned from Musk include his visionary approach, huge personal and financial risk taken, keeping the customer's experience at the forefront of the mind, and adaptability to changing times. This case study presentation will be structured with clear sections and engaging visuals using clear and concise language that guarantees accessibility. A Q&A section is included for viewers to engage by leaving comments and raising questions. The general case study of what Elon Musk has done with Tesla teaches much about innovation, risk taking, customer focus, and adaptability in the way to entrepreneurial success. So, Elon Musk is a successful entrepreneur entrepreneur and his business along Tesla. That's all. Thank you.